Welcome friends, in this video we learn how to blend command use or work in Creo parametric software. Now first of all open the new model, select the part solid and this here the part name blend. Now press OK. Now our Creo working window will be open. Now you can see here the simply blend command. Now this one is a swept blend command. This one is the use for curvature and you can apply the curvature parts. Now this one is the only straight part. You can your shape will be blending extrude in straight part. Now first of all we draw the sketch, select the plane and now draw the one circle. Now give the dimension 350. Now if you blend two shape, one with a circle and another with a rectangle, then you can your circle divided in 4 point. Also rectangle have a 4 points, so this circle is divided in 4 point. Now you can see here the divide. Now select the circle divided 4 part. Now you can see the open. Now press OK. Now draw the another sketch, select this plane, select this plane and now offset this up to 500, 600 and now draw the sketch in this offsetted plane. Draw the rectangle. Now equal both the sides. Enter, give the dimension 500 and finish the sketch. Now select the connecting line perpendicular to both sketch. Select the line, connect both sketch, finish this one. Now select the blend. You can see here the two options are available. Which one is the sketch section. You can sketch this section here, and now this one is a selected section. Now we are already sketched this both section, so we select this option, selected section. If you not draw section before, then you can sketch section and now see here the sketch option is visible and you can sketch the section. Now this one is the reference line, so you can draw in this command. Now in this case we are already sketched both sketches. Now we select this option, selected section. Now select first of all this one, insert this one. Now you can see our 4 part. You can see here 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. Circle 4 part connect with the rectangle 4 part. End section, start section 3. Now you can adjust your shape, keep here and now move, select and move this one. You can see the shape will be changed. we have 4 point of circle. Now move and change your solid shape. Now select second section. Second section. You can see, change the second section shape. Drag, select and drag it up to 4 point. Different shape will be generated. Now this one also, two option is available from here. One, which one is the removable material, remove the sweep blend. Now this one is the thin feature. You can apply the thickness. Now hide the all, select the shading with edges, enter tool. Now our blend option is performed step by step, fully described in these videos. Now thank you for watching these videos and subscribe my channel Dedicated Chem Tech.